What is up, Kreedy Crew? Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild world of cryptocurrency. For those of you who've been living under a rock, or maybe just refreshing your TikTok every 5 seconds, crypto is like the digital gold rush of our generation. People are making bank, some are losing shirts, and some are just really confused. That's where I come in, my friends. Your boy, Kreedy Chow. Here to be your crypto compass. Now, full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This ain't advice, it's education. So grab your metaphorical pickaxes and virtual wallets, because we're about to explore everything a crypto newbie needs to know. All right, let's break it down. Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is basically digital money. But unlike the Benjamins in your wallet, crypto isn't printed by the government. It exists online, secured by this crazy thing called blockchain technology. Imagine a giant digital spreadsheet everyone can see, but no one can mess with. That's kind of what blockchain is. There are tons of different cryptocurrencies out there, with Bitcoin being the OG. Think of it like the Coca-Cola of the crypto world. Then you have Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, insert meme here, and a whole bunch more. Imagine if your money wasn't a piece of paper or a metal coin, but a string of secure digital code. That's cryptocurrency. It's money, but not like anything you've tucked into your wallet. This is the kind of cash that lives entirely online, powered by some seriously smart technology called blockchain. Blockchain is the superstar technology behind crypto. Picture a ledger, but instead of being tucked away in a bank vault, it's distributed across a network of computers all over the world. Every transaction made with cryptocurrency is recorded on this ledger, verified by a bunch of computers, and added as a new block. This makes it incredibly secure and almost impossible to cheat the system. It's transparent yet anonymous, kind of like wearing sunglasses and a hat with your name tag. Now, Bitcoin might be the LeBron James of crypto, the one everyone knows. It started the whole craze back in 2009, but since then the cryptocurrency space has exploded with contenders. There's Ethereum, which is like the Swiss Army knife of cryptocurrencies, not just a currency, but a platform for building decentralized applications. Then there's Litecoin, often seen as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, known for its faster transaction times. And who could forget Dogecoin? Originally started as a joke based on a popular internet meme, it's now one of the top dogs in the crypto space thanks to its passionate community and, well, a few tweets from Elon Musk. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and uses, from Ripple, designed for speedy financial transactions, to Cardano, with its focus on sustainability and scalability. The crypto world is vast and varied. And let's not forget about the newcomers and the niche coins, each promising to revolutionize the way we think about digital currency and blockchain technology. From coins that support renewable energy projects to those that aim to make the internet more decentralized and open, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, Kreedy Crew. Cryptocurrency isn't just digital money. It's a whole new world of financial freedom, technology, and community. Whether you're here to invest, to support cutting-edge projects, or just to satisfy your curiosity, there's something in the crypto universe for everyone. Remember, we're just scratching the surface here. The world of crypto is evolving every day, and the best way to understand it is to dive in, stay informed, and keep an open mind. Who knows? You might just find yourself on the forefront of a financial revolution. Now, why would you even consider chucking your hard-earned cash into this digital frontier? Well, some folks believe crypto is the future of money. It's fast, secure, and borderless. You can send money to your grandma in Tahiti without the bank taking a huge chunk. Plus, some cryptocurrencies have seen insane growth, We're talking turning pocket change into a Lambo kind of growth. But hold on there, Tiger. This ain't all sunshine and rainbows. Crypto is also incredibly volatile. The price can swing wildly, faster than your drunk uncle at a wedding. Remember that Fire Festival documentary? Yeah. Investing in some sketchy crypto can feel a bit like that. Look, before you go all crypto crazy, you gotta ask yourself some questions. Are you comfortable with the risk? Can you stomach seeing your investment drop 50% overnight? Do you have a solid emergency fund built up? Because crypto shouldn't be your first stop. Alright, so you've decided to dip your toes into the crypto pool. Here's what you gotta do. First, educate yourself. Read articles, watch videos. There's a ton of free information out there. Next, you need a crypto exchange. This is basically your online marketplace for buying and selling crypto. There are a bunch of options out there, so do your research and pick one that's reputable and secure. Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, those are some of the big players. Once you've got your exchange, you need to fund it. You can usually connect your bank account or credit card, then you can finally buy your first crypto. But remember, start small. Don't go dropping your life savings on Dogecoin just because Elon Musk tweeted about it. Alright, so you've bought your crypto. Now what? Well, you gotta store it somewhere safe. Just like you wouldn't leave your cash lying around, you don't want your crypto floating out there in the internet ether, pun intended. There are two main options, crypto wallets and exchanges. Exchanges are convenient, but they might not be the most secure option. For maximum security, consider a crypto wallet. There are different types like hardware wallets that are basically like fancy USB drives for your crypto. Here's the deal. Crypto can be a fantastic investment opportunity, but it's not without its risks. Do your research, invest responsibly, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The KreedyCrew is always here to help you navigate the wild world of crypto. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive a bit deeper. Crypto isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the market, knowing when to hold tight and when to let go. And sometimes it's about holding on for dear life. That's hodling crypto speak. The crypto market is influenced by a lot of factors. News, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and market sentiment, to name a few. It's a living, breathing ecosystem. Imagine if Wall Street and Twitter had a baby. That's kind of what tracking crypto feels like. And here's a pro tip. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. It's the bellwether of the crypto world. Where Bitcoin goes, others often follow. But remember, the crypto market is highly speculative. Predicting its movement is like trying to predict the weather in San Francisco. Good luck. One word, folks. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one crypto basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies. And yes, that includes some of the less glamorous ones. It's not all about Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are thousands of altcoins out there, each with its own potential. Also, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Today's fortune could be tomorrow's meme. So invest wisely and keep your financial health in check. Here's where things get interesting. Some people treat crypto like a get-rich-quick scheme. Spoiler alert, it's not. Think of crypto as a long-term game. It's about belief in blockchain technology and its potential to revolutionize how we handle money, contracts, and so much more. So if you're in it for the long haul, be prepared for ups and downs. And remember, the most successful investors are those who stay informed and keep their cool even when the market is freaking out. This can't be stressed enough. Stay informed. The crypto world moves at lightning speed. New technologies, coins, and opportunities pop up all the time. Join communities, follow reputable news sources, and maybe even subscribe to a few crypto newsletters. The more you know, the better your investment decisions will be. Phew, that was a lot to cover. But hey, now you're armed with the knowledge to start your crypto journey. Remember, the Kreedy Crew is all about making smart, informed decisions. Crypto investing is exciting, but it's also serious business. So, take it step by step and don't be afraid to start small. Thanks for watching, Kreedy Crew. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights. Until next time, keep those investments growing and let's all keep learning together. Peace out.